MTN cares, but you already knew that. Our business and the foundation make sure of it.
What you might not know is that every year we show care for 21 days straight, and we call it 21 Days of Yellow Care.
This year, we're connecting at the roots.
We are taking digital tools even closer to girls, women, people with disabilities, and youth in underserved communities.
As always, 21 Days of Yearly Care will start from the 1st of June to 21st of June. To find out more about our plans and how you can participate, please check out our website.
Show that you care. Let's go make a difference, connecting at the roots with our 21 Days of Yellow Care.